Discs, absolutely essential.
Huge. And then I got toothpaste, bike lock, headlamp, mask, deodorant, all that good stuff in there.
Oh, did you bring me an extra mask?
Yep, I did.
Perfect.
So that's in the back. That's okay.
3 pannier backpacks. All the light version. 22 liters.
Some old underwear. Let's keep that wrapped up in there for now.
Oh, nice. You got the wet sack in there.
That's what these clothes were in?
Yeah. Were they wet?
Nope.
Oh. Dry bag. What's in the dry bag?
Dry bag is more clothes. Hoodie, 1 shirt, underwear, socks.
Have you found any of your stuff getting wet in your 2 of your bags?
No.
Well, that's good to know. What's in those? Oh, that's your oatmeal.
Yeah.
Breakfast. Nice. You got a hatchet. I was going to say we're going to need to cut some kindling.
1 bag.
Is that a coffee press? No, that's your lantern.
Yeah.
Is that your sleeping bag?
That's my thermarest.
Oh. Beauty, beauty. You got here your pillow, a couple of bars. Oh, your pots and pans. Toque is always smart. What's this guy?
Just a little burner for making oatmeal or coffee.
Nice. This is your kind of a, emergency kit, first aid kit, batteries.
Needle thread.
You find yourself sewing a lot of stuff on your trips?
Never once.
No.
Maybe I need to catch a fish later in life. Who knows?
Well, you might need to.